What's up YouTube? Tyler here, back with another DeFi tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an Ethereum arbitrage trading bot that I've created using Claude code. This bot is essentially a smart contract that will monitor the ERC20 network and the Uniswap mempools on some of the largest market cap coins in order to find profitable arbitrage opportunities. What this means is when the bot spots a favorable price difference between two decentralized exchanges, it will automatically perform a trade in an attempt to extract the MEV and make a small profit. And I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to deploy your own bot. If you like these types of videos, please leave a like, subscribe, and now let's dive into the tutorial. Before starting, make sure you have a browser wallet extension installed. I'm using MetaMask for this tutorial, but you can also use Phantom Wallet or Trust Wallet if you want. So first we'll need to head over to solidityide.org. This is a website made for developers to code, compile, and deploy smart contracts onto the Ethereum network. Once the website is fully loaded, go ahead and click New File and create your bot file. I'm going to name mine bot.sol. Once your file is created, go down to the description and I've provided a link to the bot source code. Just copy and paste the bot's source code into the code editor. And once you've done that, head over to the Compile tab. Now just make sure the version of Solidity that is selected matches our bot's code. As you can see, we're using 0.8.30, so we'll just make sure 0.8.30 is selected. Everything looks good. Now just press Compile to compile the bot. Alright, the bot's contract is successfully compiled. So the next step is to head over to the Deploy tab. In the deploy section, make sure your wallet is connected on the Ethereum mainnet. Now, click the deploy button to deploy your smart contract to the blockchain. So here we'll need to pay a small gas fee to deploy the contract, but as you can see it's only around 30 cents, so it's not too bad. So just click confirm. Okay, perfect. As you can see, our smart contract has been deployed. We can check it by clicking the Etherscan link to verify that it has been deployed and that we are the creator of the contract. As you can see, the contract is deployed. So let's go back to the compiler site now. And the next step will be to fund your bot with some liquidity. So here I'm going to copy my contract address and I'm going to head over to MetaMask. And for this demonstration, I'm going to send 1 Ethereum to my bot. I recommend using at least 1 Ethereum with your bot to make sure it has enough liquidity at all times, but I typically use between 1 and 5 ETH. Alright, great, transaction complete. So now we can click the Get Liquidity Balance button right here to check if the liquidity has indeed been added to our bot. Great, we now have 1 Ethereum in our bot's balance. So now we can start the bot using the Start Bot button. Let's pay this gas fee one more time. And we'll wait for this to confirm. Okay, so as you can see, the bot has now started a trading session. From this point forward, the bot will begin its process of scanning the mempool for opportunities to make profit on the price differences. And as you can see, it's already found a couple of profitable trades, so we'll let this run for a full 24 hours and check back then. Okay guys, it's been a full 24 hours, so let's go ahead and click the Get Liquidity Balance button and check how much profit the bot made. Okay, holy cow. As you can see, the bot made just over 0.6 ETH in 24 hours. That is actually insane. I've had some weeks where I've made over 20 Ethereum. Profits will fluctuate week to week, but should remain pretty constant. So now we can stop the bot from performing trades by clicking the Stop Bot button, and then we will be able to withdraw. So let's confirm this in MetaMask one more time. And now we can click the Withdraw button to withdraw the liquidity back into our wallet. And now we should see the liquidity return to our wallet in just a few seconds. Perfect. As you can see, the liquidity is back in our wallet. So that's basically the complete end-to-end workflow. If you need any kind of help, you can contact me on Telegram. So be sure to share your profits in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Peace.